In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone that's not working on Slack. We'll start by ensuring your microphone settings are properly configured on your device, whether you're using Windows or a Mac. For Windows users, begin by right-clicking on the speaker icon located in the taskbar and selecting Sound Settings. In the Input section, make sure the correct microphone is selected. You can check this by speaking into your mic and observing whether the input level bar moves. If it doesn't, don't worry. Just click on Troubleshoot for further assistance that will automatically analyze and attempt to resolve the issue for you. For Mac users, navigate to System Settings, then click on Sound and select Input. Choose the correct microphone from the available list. To confirm it's picking up sound, speak into the mic and ensure the input levels move. It's also important to grant Slack permission to use your microphone. So head over to Privacy and Security, find Microphone, and make sure Slack is enabled. When dealing with permissions on the Slack app itself, it's crucial to know whether you are using the desktop app or accessing Slack through a browser. On Windows, go to Settings, then Privacy, and locate Microphone. Ensure that Slack is allowed access. For Mac users, this falls under System Settings, then Privacy and Security, followed by Microphone where you need to enable Slack. If you're using a browser such as Chrome or Edge, simply click the lock icon in the address bar, then choose to allow Microphone. If you're on Safari, go to Preferences, move to Websites, and set Slack to allow under the Microphone section. Next, let's ensure that Slack recognizes your microphone. Open the app and start a huddle or a Slack call. Check the microphone icon in the lower left corner. If it's muted, simply unmute it. If it shows as disabled, this indicates that Slack isn't detecting your mic, and you might need to double check the earlier device settings. Sometimes restarting the Slack app and your computer can do wonders for solving stubborn issues. Make sure you completely quit Slack. On Windows, right-click on Slack in the taskbar and select Quit. On a Mac, go to the Slack menu and choose Quit Slack. Follow this by restarting your computer, which refreshes the microphone drivers. To keep everything up to date, ensure you're using the latest version of Slack and have installed any available updates for your operating system. However, if problems persist, reinstalling Slack might help, as sometimes a corrupted app can cause issues. You should also be wary of any other applications like Zoom, Teams, or Discord, as they may lock your microphone. Finally, try using an external microphone or headset to test if your built-in mic is faulty. By following these steps, you should be able to get your microphone working on Slack again, ensuring seamless communication with your team.